2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go SpaceX, go NASA Crew 10. Copy 1 Alpha.
And liftoff at Crew 10.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
They're breathing a huge sigh of relief at Cape Canaveral, Crew 10 having finally lifted off from Launch Pad 39. On a mission that bears more significance than most, the arrival of these 4 astronauts at the International Space Station will allow 2 others, Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams, who've been stranded there, to leave at last.
Main engine cut off.
SpaceX Dragon, Alpha.
Stage separation confirmed.
The Dragon capsule transporting the 4 astronauts separated from the rocket right on cue, the Falcon 9 spacecraft returning to Earth for a